Welcome to Unit 1, Cause and Effect. Today is day 1. If you have not listened to the Cause and Effect song in the orange Day 1 folder, please pause this video and listen to the song. This will give you a short snippet of what cause and effect are. Once you've finished listening to it, return to this video so you can continue to learn more in depth as to what cause and effect are. I want you to click on Unit 1, Day 1 PowerPoint. Once you open this PowerPoint, you will see this. You know you're in the right place when you see Unit 1, Day 1, Cause and Effect. So before we get started, I want to know, why is cause and effect important? Identifying cause and effect helps us to become better readers. It helps us to focus on two important events: what happens in the story and why it happens. For this unit, our objective, or our I can statement, is I can determine the difference between cause and effect. Later on in this unit, we will be getting more in depth as to the cause and effect in different stories, but today we strictly want to focus on the definitions of cause and effect, and we will go over some small scenarios. Here's an anchor chart. The cause in a scenario is why something happened. The effect is what happened. For example, this scenario says the sun was hot, so my ice cream melted. Because the sun was hot, the effect is my ice cream melted. Another anchor chart states when one event causes another to happen, the cause is the why it happened. So the cause is why something happened. The effect is what happened. Once again, the effect is what happened. So because something happened, something else happened as a result. Some key words that you might want to know to help you identify cause and effect are as a result of, because of, by virtue of, consequently, due to the fact, on account of, thus, resulting in, seeing that, since, so, thanks to, the reason for, therefore, whereas, and which means. Our next slide, we have some examples. Our first sentence says, Tim forgot his math book, so he was unable to complete his homework. So we want to think of the cause first. So because something happened. So because Tim forgot his math book, he was unable to complete his homework. So we said because Tim forgot his math book, the effect is he was unable to complete his homework. Another example, Keegan was hungry because he skipped lunch. Our keyword here is because. So, because Keegan skipped lunch, he was hungry. For the next two, we'll just read over them. Erin's car had a flat tire, so she called a tow truck. Well, because Erin's car had a flat tire, the effect is that she had to call a tow truck. Number 4, Gina couldn't find the keys because Papa hid them in the cupboard. The cause, because Papa hid them in the cupboard, Gina could not find the cookies. Number 5, I want you to take a minute to think about. Kelly studied her spelling words and she got an A on the test. What is the cause and what is the effect? So because Kelly studied her spelling words, she got an A on the test. Next, I want you to go back to our Schoology course, find our discussion board in the Day 1 folder, and I want you to answer the following questions. What is cause? What is effect? And then I want you to identify the cause and effect in the following sentence. I had to use my umbrella because it was raining. Remember, you can always look back in our PowerPoint or listen to the cause and effect song if you need some additional assistance.